Alright, so here's a little website that I made, and I uploaded on GitHub, which is free to upload onto or host. Now here's the home scene, as you can see, which is just a little introduction, and each page I've put some music and a nice little image just because I thought that would look nice. For example, isn't that nice? If we go to social media, we can see all of my social media stuff. Yeah, that's cool. You've got the raw links here, and you've got a hyperlink, so you can click the hyperlink to instantly go to it, like so. Or you can click, or you can just, copy paste the regular link. Here, commercial, I have just my Gumroad. In the future, I'll get some more stuff up. I haven't really got much in it now. Education is under construction, don't really have anything. I'll maybe put some, like, I don't know, tutorials or books or like little informative pictures here. Downloads is the main section. Oh, excuse me, sub download menu. Let me fix that up. All right, here we are, all fixed up. Now it says menus. So these are the main menus up the top, and these are the sub menus down the bottom. We have miscellaneous downloads, software downloads, and video downloads, of course, to be changed potentially. Now what this means is that in miscellaneous downloads we have just anything, just random files, just whatever I want to put, maybe in a PDFs, images, whatever. And maybe I'll make more sub-menus. In software, it's specifically just software. You can see here I've got a couple things, just little fun things. Video downloads is not to download the actual video files. It's to just say if I make something like a 3D print or a picture in a video, and you think, oh, well, that's nice. I'd like to download that myself. I will put it up here, and I will give you a link and tell you, it's in whatever month. For example, this is 2024, July. So you'll just have to check the videos month and then find it. And of course, if you can't, or I haven't uploaded or whatever, and you want me to, just tell me in the comments and I'll help you out. Here we have an animation. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it. Of course, it's still partly under construction, but it's pretty much good enough. I thought it would be a simpler way, instead of like having to email things to people or to upload it on upload sites or whatever. And also, in the future, maybe I can add more functionality, add like onboard programs and cool stuff. Currently, this is just a raw HTML. There is no CSS, there is no JavaScript. It is just buttons, links, text, media. It's just really simple. Now for these, of course, you click them, and what will come up is a zip file. For example, block maker, click the block, go to block, grid, movement, hitbox test. These are just some really basic Braille programs that I was just messing with. I thought I'd just upload them here just for fun. I'll show you what they look like. For example, if we actually go to them. Here we could see I'm in my file browser, and these are the most of them. Of course, we'll just click on block maker. Now one thing you'll notice is this is not an exe file. This is actually a technically it doesn't have a file name, so you might have to go to right click and go to properties, permissions, and then what do you call allow executing file as program, or you'll have to type, was it /block _ maker to run it, either one, because this is it's programs using Linux essentially. Of course, we can open the main C file if you want. You can recompile it. You're going to need MinGW to recompile it on Windows, and of course we have the main.h files and the, I forget what they call them, static linked library, I think it is. I'm pretty sure dynamic DLLs would be just DLLs hanging around here. And I think this is called a static library. I'm not sure. What it means is that the whole thing compiles together as a singular thing. So this executable is a standalone. Anyway, I'm going to run this. For me, I can just double click it and I'll show you what it looks like. No, BlockMaker for some reason doesn't work on OBS. I will open GoTo or click the block. Here we go. So this one, all you do is you click the little block and it's just a mouse click test for a hitbox. And if we click the red one, its score goes to 0. And yeah, of course not without bugs. Here's another one. All we do is use the WASD keys to go to here. So it's like a movement test. Again, if you want to use these as like a basis to make a simple game, which is kind of what why I made these, is you can feel free to grid movement. And finally, a hitbox test, which is if we use WSD, it copies our X and Y position. It is very interesting. So the top is, and yeah, we go through the wall. The top is lower, and then the bottom is higher for Y, and the left area for X is lower. So it's an interesting way to plot out things. You could probably just use the mouse cursor to do as well. And of course, if you go to the pink area, the score goes up. So it's a hitbox test. If you want any of those things, do feel free to grab yourself a copy or to check out the website. I will use it in future videos, upload files, and just to make it easier for everyone. So yeah, goodbye and have a nice day.